What's going on, guys? It is Cam, aka the Rookie Trader here, and we are back with another day of live day trading. And today is a very exciting day, a little bit scary, because today is the first day I will be day trading with real money. We are no longer paper trading, we are live. So I'm here a little bit earlier than I usually am because I need to actually lock in, read some news, have some good stock selection. So over here on our Webull screener, we got 4 stocks. And we're going to go ahead and check them out. So we got VRAX and Bullfrog. Bullfrog was moving yesterday. And VRAX, let's go ahead and read that news, see what's going on. Let's go ahead and read these news of these 4 stocks. Secures, ISO, approved stock split. So it must be a recent reverse split. Let's read this news a little bit, see what it's about. Doesn't seem like necessarily strong news, but clearly it's strong enough news to do this. I'm going to rank this catalyst 3 out of 10 though. Bullfrog. Let's check out Bullfrog. Micron Technology, Fannie Mae. So Bullfrog was doing something yesterday, and I got dusted on it, unfortunately. Even though overall it did do some big things. But let's see. Signs major AI drug discovery partnership. I think that's just yesterday's stuff. I am a wee bit chilly today. A wee bit chilly. I don't love Bullfrog. It's hard for me to trade something that I lost previously. Like, you hurt me once, so I don't want you to hurt me again. So let's check out Pola. Pola's got some movement. Okay, let's see. Let's see what Pola's doing on the news. Why are they trading higher? Well, why are they trading higher? I don't know, but that's not Pola. Alright, so nothing really strong. And then ELAB. I think that's a power company of some sort, which we know power. Oh, Pola's power too. Just more power stuff. Signs long-term agreement to supply mission-critical aerospace and defense components to turbojet products. That always reads like good news to me. We'll make that catalyst 7 out of 10. Long-term agreement, a long-term agreement. That's like basically saying, yeah, long-term we're guaranteeing more revenue, which I like that. like that a lot. Alright guys, this is just some proof that we do have some money in our account. We got $1,100. That gives us roughly $500 each day to trade with the whole settlement thing. So today we'll be trading with $500. With that in mind, I want to make sure this is set to $500. 2% risk, yes. Okay. That's important. Ooh, I am chilly today. And my mouse is not working. Okay. Oh, I think the battery's dying. It's a good thing I'm here earlier. Would not be good. I don't know if I have any batteries. I'm gonna go check for some batteries real quick. No. I think, yeah, I do need some batteries. I will be right back. Alright, so this blows because my mouse is dead and I don't have any batteries. I'm sure there's something that uses batteries, but I really thought I had some. Alright, well, that's unfortunate. I do have a mouse pad, and technically, or I was going to say that my laptop is touchscreen, but not my monitor. Okay. Let's check out trading view real quick because this screener is always better and it tells me the float as well, which is really nice. All right, so we got I want to see the float. I guess we don't get the float on this one. Okay. But we got a couple more stocks. SST, no fresh news. MPT, no fresh news. Just an oil stock. And then, all right, let's switch over to 5-minute orb here. No, not 5-minute orb, 15-minute orb. No, small cap. What am I doing? Small cap stocks. We got ASTC. Not sure why that's on here, to be honest. JCSE. Pola. Quince. Not sure why. Oh, there's the float. I was like, where's the float at? Okay, Pola has a 1.85 mil float. I don't know. Regardless, it is time to come over to here. We're watching VRAX and ELAB. These two have the best news, in my opinion, with also sort of recent moves. All right, this one's opened bad. I kind of like that it has this big candle and support here at the 200. That's really nice. How's this one opening? This one broke VWAP, came back down. Could be a really good trade if it ends up closing above VWAP. This one's already making its move, huh? Moving without us, but that's okay. This is not the day to be breaking any rules or chasing anything. Today is just pretending that it's another paper trading day. Just pretending nothing's different. So, gotta follow the rules. If there's no trade, there's no trade. Ola is green on the 5-minute, and so is Bullfrog. No, honestly though, BFRG, like I said, I'm not trading Bullfrog. I'm not trading something that's first 5-minute candle is that big, because that's like its entire move. Like, I'm not trading that. Maybe you could be like, yeah, I'll trade like pullback and enter on the pullback, but I'm not trading that. And it doesn't have a catalyst for today. Not really. Pola I like though. If the TNS can move a little bit. Maybe not. It's not moving. Neither is ELAB. Not moving over here on the TS. That one's opening down anyways. This one's opening up. Let's go ahead and mark our long position. Once it's in at about 190. I am gonna move our stop All right, we have good green volume on this. I put our stop to below this wick because that's below VWAP. It's below EMA 20 and the EMA 9. I feel good about that as a stop, honestly. If we get a good entry, we wait for confirmation. Set our target to 1R. Wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. All right, I'm glad we waited for that confirmation. Definitely glad. Bullfrog is continuing higher, but I'm not upset about that at all. We do have still more green volume relative to red volume. We broke VWAP, came back down, bounced off EMA 20. Now we're breaking VWAP again. If we can hold VWAP and break this orb high, I'm still bullish on this trade. And this was the best news of the day. Well, no, it wasn't. I take that back. It's okay news, but it does have news. Just waiting patiently now. It's looking like today might be a no trade day. That is okay, especially for our first day with real money. If Bullfrog had good news, it would be tradable. It's just already made its move in that first open. This is like the pullback I was talking about. Like, oh, I would trade it if it pulled back, but not really feeling like we're gonna have anything today. And that is okay. That is very okay. Yeah, like I would trade Bullfrog on this. I'm not going to, but I would because it's gonna re-break that orb high after pulling back and retesting. But I'm not going to. I'm sitting on my hands today. I just can't do it. Yeah, and VRAX is not going to do anything for us. I am glad that I didn't enter. I almost entered, but I was like, wait for confirmation because it could have been like, oh, it's gonna break, it's gonna break. It didn't. But I'm still pretty bullish on Bullfrog today. I think this continues, makes a nice little move. And this is where the FOMO is definitely kicking in a little bit because I'm like, oh, I could have traded that or break, and look where I'd be right now. I put my stop here. No, that's okay. No trade day is a win. No trade day is a definite win. Even now, your Bullfrog's nice impulse move, pullback likely to the 9 if I had to guess. Continuation. That is a small green candle on that volume though. Overall, it just doesn't feel like a super hot day today. Part of me is like sticking around because I want to trade something. It's my first day for real money. I want to trade something, but no, it's a no trade day. Oh, there he goes, Bullfrog. Oh my gosh, I am jealous. That's a lot of FOMO. I am jealous. I'm really jealous of this move, but that's okay. I will have good moves in the future. Today I protected my assets. It is a successful day, especially after getting burned yesterday. I'm okay with not trading Bullfrog, the one that burned me. Alright guys, that is all for today. Not very exciting, I know, but in the future, we finally have real money. going to be a little bit more higher stakes. Please sure to leave a like if you enjoy watching these live streams. Leave a comment if you have any questions or takeaways. And make sure to subscribe to follow along my journey from rookie trader to profit.